Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Christina Ambatali Bayubay, 25 years old, living at Karabutanchi, Cacawan City, Isabela, single, and I have 2 brothers, 2 sisters, and I'm third child in the family. I am college level. I took Bachelor's of Science Information Technology.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Yes, sir. I've worked here in the Philippines as a maid for more than 4 years. For my first employer, I served 3 adults, 1 child, 1-year-old, and for my second employer, I served 5 adults, 2 children, 3 years old and 4 months old. And I'll do the household chores like cleaning, cooking, washing, and ironing. And my main duty is to take care of the children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I am securing the safety of the children, and I will check the temperature of the children, and I will tell to my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, hardworking, and responsible.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because for my family and to be financially stable in the future.
If you get hired, who will take over your responsibilities at home?
My parents.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my work and tell to myself that I need this job.
Okay, what time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep at 10 p.m. if my work is done and wake up at 5 a.m.
Okay, are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will more be patient and calm.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the street. Merrily, 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 life is like a dream.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
For my employer, ma'am, sir, please hire me. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible, and I will promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.